Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm here to tell you how to make your own hair accessories. In order to make your own hair accessories, you would need any sort of clip or any sort of barrette you can use. You can buy them anywhere. You can actually even use bobby pins as well. This is what is going to actually be clipping the homemade hair accessory into your hair. With that hair clip, once you have them, you can then just use a hot glue gun. Go to any arts and crafts store, pick out whatever you feel it is that you want to be on your clip. You can do beading, you can do fabric, you can do glitter, you can, create your own style by using them. And then you're just simply going to create it by using a hot glue gun and putting those pieces of fabric or beads onto that clip in order to secure them. Then you would simply just clip it in your hair and go. Another great thing to do is they do now have hair accessory kits that you can find at your local craft store. Michael, as I do know, does not carry them. You can use them, and they actually have almost like plaster where you combine different colors and different arrays of metallic colors, other colors, and you basically bake them. And they almost melt the plastic together, and you're creating your own unique, individualized styled clip. So you can actually buy an actual kit in order to make them. Those do come with the clips or barrettes and anything else in order to secure them into your hair. Another good thing that you can do is use either fake flowers or real flowers, and you can either pin them in by using bobby pins, where you can maybe just crisscross 2 bobby pins in order to get them to stay in. You would cut them up to about 1 inch left on the stem. So you'd cut up towards the flower, cut the rest of the stem off. So you want the flower plus the 1 inch of stem, and you would actually crisscross bobby pins over the stem in order to secure them. So the stem would be going through here, and your bobby pins would secure the flower onto your hair. So that way it'll give you a nice hair accessory. Or if you choose to do fake flowers, you can just use a clip and then again hot glue them to the clip. So that way you can just place it in your hair whenever you feel, and you're ready to go with a brand new style that you've created all on your own. And that is how to make hair accessories.